So I see here minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 times minus 2, and negative times negative 4 is positive 4, and then negative 2 times negative 2 is plus positive 4 plus 4. So the answer is 8. But no, it's not. It's not 8. So in this video, I'll show you how to solve this one, okay? Using the PEMDAS rule. So let's first delete all of this. So 8 is not the answer. So using PEMDAS, so we have here PEMDAS. So recalling parentheses, first is to check for parentheses. So negative times negative 4 is positive 8. So I mean positive 4. So it will be positive 4. And exponent. So we don't have any exponents. Multiplication. So we have multiplication here, 3. Positive 3 times negative 2. So recalling positive times negative is negative. So negative 6. So we retain this one, minus 5. So we simplify it further. So minus using division, addition, subtraction. So we have addition to subtraction, left to right rule. So minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11 plus 4 is equal to minus 11 plus 4 is equal to minus 7. So the answer is negative 7. I hope you got it correct, guys.